Hello and welcome back to more chaos.
She's coming back.
Today we have a lovely client or victim, if we will. Yes, it's Jason, the fellow Libra, two Libras together. What could go wrong? Simply everything. So we are going to be bleaching Jason's hair platinum blonde, and as you can see, we're starting a little dark. And so this is also natural hair. Jason has never ever bleached his hair. So we're just gonna see like what happens. We're gonna try our best, and hopefully everything's gonna work out. I have a lot of faith. Jason's nervous.
I have a lot of faith too because
I'm a pro now.
Yeah.
I'm a pro, and this is the simplest task I've ever been given. Like because you have such short hair, and it's like all of it versus like I've done balayage. I've done balayage on layers. I've cut my hair in layers. A lot of things have happened. This is the simplest template.
You've got it covered.
Like we're trying to do kind of wild things because going that light from this dark in one go, but it's been done before and it can be done again. I'll show you after. I'm like, here are the materials. Can you believe they have these cute little packets now? Like my ass had to buy like a bucket of bleach.
Step one, gloves.
Gloves, please remember your gloves.
My friend texted me, I am praying.
We're going in now. Okay, so the bleach, I love how I have one glove on. This is the look.
Safety hazard.
Anyways, look at this. The bleach is really taking. I'm like gonna bring it in for a look-sees. Like, okay, and it's literally been like 2 milliseconds. So.
That's what it looks like a lunch lady.
You do, but like lunch lady chic, you know? So like lunch ladies would try.
She cares about her look.
Hi, wow, you're a blonde
Look
beauty.
at this, it's
What do you
literally
think,
blonde.
Is the natural light enough? Because I also brought my mom's ring light.
You are the most iconic person to
Halfway
ever.
through, we're just gonna have like studio
Really?
light.
You look stunning, darling.
Please. That's close enough.
Okay, so being a doctor, not
Why are those
hard.
3000 XL gloves? For your tiny child hands.
I'm trying my best.
What is
You
that?
look like North putting on Kim's heels.
Yeah.
Super. I love that.
We had a scare. This was resting right on the brow. And
Oh
we
my
didn't
god.
notice, and I was,
Swiftly wiped.
not us having to go get brow tint.
This like the color of it, or is it? Am I looking at it dyed? Like like this is what his hair looked like. It made it do that.
It made it do that.
Silence.
Lean forward, and I'm gonna lift this back just up to the point.
With no return.
Fascinating.
But my neck doesn't bend like that.
She pretty.
Oh, that burns.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It burns.
Yeah.
Baby's never had keratin.
Yeah, I know. I was like, bitch, I'm a pro at this.
Oh.
But it looks good.
Yeah, it does look good.
Oh my
I
god.
suggest
Oh my god.
not as hot water.
Oh my god,
It's
wait,
really
you're saying
hot.
it burns.
It's really
The
hot.
water. Oh my god, Jason, tell that to me.
I didn't know it was
You're
the water.
killing him. Jason.
I felt it on my hand and I was like, wait, that is scalding.
It's
Oh my god.
Jason.
Is that better?
Yes. Oh.
Please communicate with
I
me.
thought
I'm
that was just
killing
like
you.
what the bleach feels like when it's coming out.
I was like, I've never felt that before.
You were like, beauty is pain. Wait, can I fold up like a...
Yes. And I'll cover it there. I know what you're trying to do. Where are you trying?
Jace, push your head.
Oh, you need a second?
Oh, you're getting waterboarded. Oh, it's going in his eyes.
Oh.
Perhaps?
Yeah, a little bit. Holy shit, who is that?
Right?
I told you I'm giving Jack Frost. Okay, I'm
You're
just gonna
giving
cover.
Draco Malfoy.
I'm gonna just cover my face with this.
Yeah.
Here, do you want to give me a glove and I'll like mush it as you rinse?
Thank you. Yay.
Jace, you having fun?
Still can't believe I was burning you with water. I'll never forgive myself.
I was like, I can't believe that's what this feels like. Oh my god.
Being blonde makes everything really hot.
I was like, oh.
Hi, Xander. Xander's like, he's getting a bath too.
Yep.
He's like, what'd he do? No.
Oh, Xander, you sweet.
Girl, I'm going through the same damn thing. I'm not crying.
Be an adult, Xander.
Come on, pull it together.
You're a whole 5 years old. That's really the only spot, which is like iconic. Rude of her, but iconic. This one will possibly burn you because your hair is now clean. But that's why we only leave it for a little bit. It's just one spot. Probably, yeah, let's do like, put 5 minutes and we'll check on 5. I'm just gonna put a shit ton on that spot. I'm like, you're gonna work right now. I'm just gonna give this area a little bit more, just while we're here anyway.
That shit's kind of traumatizing. That stink of it all. Ugh.
Yeah, that's why like you do it and then I would forget about the trauma and then I'd do it again and then
You're
6
like,
months
no.
later I'd be back. It's a toxic cycle.
My mom said, love you. Yeah, not for long.
You're like, we'll see about that. You're allowed to feel traumatized.
A little bit traumatized, not being bit, yeah. Like,
Not like a big deal, but like definitely traumatized.
oh, that shit stinks too. Ugh.
I think
Oh.
toner more than anything smells bad.
What? I think there's like a second step or so. Like, oh my god, you guys. Like, they need to come up with a better process for this.
They really do. They're like, you want to be blonde, you better work, bitch.
I looked in the mirror at the, what's it called? The
This one.
eyebrow.
Oh, the eyebrow.
And
You
it
did?
just got like the baby hairs around it, so we're good.
Hi! Oh
We're
my god,
deep
my hair
conditioning.
looks so ridiculous, but you know, we'll pretend it doesn't. Deep conditioners in. Do we see this? This is a look.
See it. I think we see it.
Oh my god, it's literally silver. We went from dark brown to silver. You look so good.
In what,
I'm
like
staring
an
at you.
hour?
Yeah, in like an hour.
There's something in your hair.
Get it out,
No,
get it
no,
out,
no,
get it out,
no, 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 no. There was something in the hair, love. I don't know what it was. It might have been a little bit of toner.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I thought you were saying like a bug.
Oh, really?
That would be
You were
my
more-
biggest concern.
The bug?
I was
Or the
concerned about
toner?
a bug.
Not the bug.
Oh,
The
for
bug.
me, I was like, the toner, you're gonna, well, I guess it wouldn't, like.
It wouldn't change. I can tone my hair because my hair is technically supposed
Alright,
to be
guys,
ash
we're all good.
We're all good. I was here thinking that a bug was gonna kill me. I don't know how bugs can kill you, but I thought a bug was gonna kill me. I'm obsessed. I missed you, and we can see each other. Like I can touch you.
And you can touch my skin.
I know. I literally can. I can change your hair. If you don't know, backstory. I haven't seen Jason in like
At least 2 years.
at least 2 years. And last time we did, all we got to do was eat a breakfast together, and then I had to leave.
And I don't even think it was that good. I remember we were
It
like,
was
these
bad.
acai bowls were
They
not
tasted
good.
like ass.
Yeah.
The acai bowls.
So like,
I love that you're back
You-
on my dead plant.
Yeah, those are plans.
That was a plant.
You look really
on a scale of 1 to
Now,
10.
This bug situation, I'm out. My feet.
The
I know.
color or the way, the whole situation?
Well, the whole situation.
Okay, whole situation, I would say 7.8. I would
I know,
say
for
it'd
Libra.
be to like 10 if you got that buzz. I'm really
It's
felt
the buzz cut
Okay,
propaganda.
okay.
The color's perfect. I just don't like your spiky hair. You look
Well,
like a
I'm
salad
not-
creator on pictures.
I agree. No, this is the deep conditioner. Fine. I mean,
It's the deep conditioner. The deep conditioner is not allowing things to happen.
That looks a little more sensual. I'll put a rose in my mouth for you.
Yes. Now you're giving me NSYNC, and I like it.
put it back up quick.
Listen, Justin Timberlake was looking good.
Those vary a lot.
The others
Good looking.
were, but not.
Justin Timberlake wasn't looking good.
I didn't
He
like
was
that.
the moment.
No.
Ramen noodles.
Lance
I
was
mean,
the
yes,
moment.
ramen noodles, but his face was the best face.
Lance was the moment.
I forget Lance. You see? He's forgettable. Justin Timberlake, not forgettable. Okay, so here we have the final look. This lighting is atrocious.
It's gonna rain.
Why? It's because it's gonna rain. It's like literally like, can you get a little more? We're
We need
not
Julian's
that color.
ring light.
I know. It's like this one. We need her ring light, but don't we love it? I'm really here for it. Here, like, let me film just you and your hair. Yes, bitch.
What do we think?
We think that we love
Comment
it.
down below if you think I made a huge mistake.
And like this video if you think it was amazing.
Yes.
Let us know. How did I do? Was this a hit or was this a flop? Let me know. It was a hit. We feel like it was a hit. So thank you so much for watching this chaotic journey. There were some moments where we made some mistakes, i.e. me scalding Jason's scalp. But we're back, we returned, we revived.
I lived.
And that's what matters. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!